2020 was a dark year. We lost too many lives, mourned too many loved ones, said goodbye far too many times. And as of today, Richmond has seen over 13,000 COVID-19 cases. I now number among those 13,000. Since March, we have lost over 100 friends, family members, and neighbors to this terrible disease. Join me in a moment of reflection on that immense, incalculable loss. Thank you. COVID-19 has devastated lives and livelihoods, causing a public health and economic crisis the likes of which our country has never seen. Many Richmonders have lost jobs, been furloughed, even lost their homes. This struggle has tested our patience, our selflessness, our compassion, and our strength to carry on. My fellow Richmonders, the test is not over. It's the hard truth. Until we ensure that every Richmonder has access to the vaccine, the test will not be over. Yes, the struggle isn't over, but we're still in the fight. And I'll tell you why. Because in Richmond, if you look carefully, you can begin to see the light peeking through the dark. If you look carefully, you can see this light beginning to illuminate a promise of hope, of growth, and of justice. Because while 2020 was dark, our dawn is on the horizon. Since the beginning of this pandemic, the city has been fighting right alongside residents and businesses, taking on this challenge together. When the world shut down in March, your city government did not. During the pandemic, city services never lapsed, and we designed and delivered aid at an unprecedented level. For that, we all have public servants like Kenny Hill and his team at Facilities Management to thank. They have not missed a beat installing hand sanitizer dispensers, touchless door sensors, upgraded filtration systems, and more. Kenny and his team are the reason DPU customer support representatives can deliver utility relief, social workers can safely administer benefits, and my staff and I can keep the wheels of government turning from City Hall. There are thousands of public servants like Kenny who have been fighting for you since March, and they deserve our respect and recognition. This administration distributed hundreds of thousands in direct aid to families through the Family Crisis Fund. We fought for an eviction moratorium from the state and dedicated millions of dollars to rent and mortgage relief to keep people in their homes. We designed programs that intentionally included groups most traditionally left out of federal aid, like residents who haven't attained citizenship. And we fought for businesses allocating over $7 million in direct aid, grants, not loans. See, we got creative, paying local restaurants to feed first responders and putting together PPE packages for pickup. So far, this has been a test of community endurance, of our joint perseverance. And it won't be over until everyone in Richmond has had access to the vaccine. Until we get Richmonders back to work and get kids back in schools, that's what I want to see before anything else here in 2021. But the past year has made it clear we can't simply survive this pandemic. We have the responsibility to address the injustices the pandemic has illuminated. We must learn from this crisis. See, there's a wrong way and there's a right way to recover. In Richmond, we have a unique opportunity to build true healing into our recovery. That's the right way.